Hi friends, Christine here with Essentially Styled. Today I wanted to come to you because it is the last time I will be coming to you in front of this fireplace. We are in the middle of a big move, and the next time I do a video will be in front of a different fireplace, and I just wanted to do one more even though we're coming down to the wire, which is why my hair is kind of like this because I had packed all my hair, most of my hair products. So I decided it would be the perfect time to do a messy bun. So that's what we're going to do, a couple different messy buns, different versions using a couple different accessories. I'm going to be using a medium. This is the Liberty bow. I just love this. We are coming up on the 4th of July, and Lila Rose will have some beautiful 4th of July accessories. This is a new one that I absolutely love, which is the flag, and the new that we've had the flag before, but we haven't had the kind of the leather-like beading on the edge. So I really like that. And then I adore this red, white, and blue acrylic U-pin. So I'm going to do several styles with these. And again, these are all going to be messy. So that's the plan. So when they look messy, you'll know that's really what I intended. All right, so I'm going to start with a small, which is my ponytail size. And I'm just going to wind up a kind of a loose bun. I'm not going to twist it a lot. I'm just going, so I won't like roll it into a tight knot. So it's already kind of loose and messy. Now, I could go on the top, but I think I'm going to go on the side. I do not want my flag to be upside down, but it might be a little bit sideways. But I'm going on the edge of the bun. You can go anywhere, top, bottom, side of the bun to do this. Grab some hair from underneath, come back up through that bun, and just bring that pin down through, and that is going to hold the messy bun. And it holds really well. You can pull, you can tug. You might want to secure it on top. Let me just switch it around so you can see it on top. When I go toward the top of the bun, grab some hair from underneath. Again, just bring a little bit of hair through, then I can kind of tug and mess that up. And I still have a secure, although messy, bun with just this is a small flexi. Again, that's my ponytail size. So whatever your base size is, then you can pull hair down here to keep it loose for some framing. So that's with the small flexi. Now, keeping that same style, I'm going to use the medium, only this time I'm going to go through the middle, well, not quite, just outside the middle, come across and grab that. So it's more in the center of the bun. Then you can pull, although that feels like it still went toward the top, but kind of a different, slightly different look. And then with that same one, I'm going to show you the lazy wrap bun, which I have videos on just the lazy wrap bun itself. But I'm going to kick my thumb out and bring that end up and around. So I kind of have a figure 8 there. And I'm going to take the pin, follow my finger down, come up through the center, and that one's a little more neat, but still messy, and you can still pull and tug, pull out some for framing. You can actually, tug some up here for some fullness and volume. So super simple style, super comfortable, again, all day hold. And the thing, again, if you aren't familiar with the Flexis, the size is important. We do have 7 sizes in the Flexis, and the reason being they don't pull on your scalp, so you don't have those headaches. That's why you can wear them all day. They don't budge because the tension is all between the flexible part and the pin. So the tension's on your hair, not your scalp. So they are amazing for comfort and all day hold. So that was the Liberty bow. And then we have the acrylic. Now I'm going to show you a quick kind of a French twist and then a top knot bun. So the French twist will have a little bun at the, actually I'll tuck the ends in a little bit for the French twist, but it'll be a loose, messy French twist. So kind of see, all I'm going to do is gather my hair kind of low. I grab that hair and I'm just going to loop it up, leave my ends out for a messier look. And I'm going to want the curved, because they're curved, I want the curve to go with my head. So I start with the U-pin facing up like that. So the curve goes up, make contact outside, and slide it in. Then I can kind of keep this, just again, this is just going to be messy, updo, just kind of casual. You can flare that out if you want, pull ends out. But what I'm going to show you next is very similar, but up higher, more of your traditional messy bun or mom bun top knot. So I'm going to start with the ponytail up higher. I'm going to, again, loop that toward over my thumb and toward my head, twist up until I have a knot. Now, if you have long hair and it spills out, that's great. You can also tuck those ends in, whichever you prefer. So I just leave that loop at the top. Again, I take the acrylic U-pin, curve up like that, then I'm going to flip it over, keeping contact with my scalp, and run that along. I have a tighter twist, so it's a little hard to push in. There we go. So super tight hold. And then I can take this and I mess it up. I can twist it however I want. Sometimes I even pull ends out, especially when it's curly like this while it's still a little damp like it is. Then my ends will kind of curl up and kind of dry that way, so you have that. So I love this one. They have all kinds of colors. This happens to be a navy one. We have, looks kind of royal blue in the picture, but it's actually a darker, or in the video, it looks a little more royal. But we have all kinds of colors in the, I can't tell where that, oh, that's where I pulled it out some there. So messy buns are great for all summer long. We have Flexis, U-pins, swerves, and so many other options. Even bobby pins can hold your updo. So be looking for more. I will be back with more tutorials once we get settled in front of a new fireplace. So I've enjoyed seeing you and hearing from you at this home, and I look forward to seeing you at the next. Take care. Bye-bye.